Hi everybody, we continue on here. We have our linked architectural model here, and this is where we left off. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go in and we're going to work in this host file now. So I'm going to go down to my power plan here. And again, in this view, we have to do what we did before. So I'm going to just do a quick review here. So you want to key in VV for visibility graphics. And right here, we have our views, and we go to our Revit links again. There's our file. We want to go host view, and we go custom here. And first we'll do the annotation categories. Get it there. Custom. We'll get rid of our grids. And that's what I'm going to get rid of for now. And then I'm going to go to model categories. Same thing here. Go to custom. I don't know what we had in here. We got some light fixtures. Let me see. We got plants here. Planning. We can keep the plumbing. Let me just apply this to see what we got for now. Okay, let's get rid of light fixtures and furniture, of course. So we'll go back here. Model categories. I'm going to get rid of furniture systems. I think we got lighting fixtures in here we don't need to see because this is going to be power. Where are they? Basically want to just clean up. We could even get rid of the floors, to be honest with you. Anyway, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks. If you have already subscribed, the new subscribers, be great to have you on here. So now we have that done. Plants, we got plants out of there. You want to get rid of those. And we're going to go apply and okay. Oh, it's bugger. I didn't get the light fixtures or the furniture. Oh, what happened there? I'm going to go back again. Sorry. Revit links, that one. Custom. Okay, model categories. Oh my God, furniture systems, furniture, lighting fixtures. Anyway, good review. Planning, they're off. Let's go in annotation categories. We got rid of our grids. We don't have any grids in here, I don't think. Yep, they're gone. And I'm gonna go apply and okay. Okay, so this is kind of what we want to see here. We could even gotten rid of the equipment if we wanted, but for this purpose, practical purposes, I don't believe it is. So now to work in this model here, this is our utility room over here. So I'm going to go into my systems tab right here, and I'm going to go and place a panel here. Go to equipment, and there's a panel. I want to probably something a little heavier there. Let's go with this one, 400, and we'll place it right here. Now it can be recessed. I want to, yeah, we'll probably, yeah, we can go recess. It doesn't matter here for what we're doing here. So we're going to place our panel here because our utility room, I think it's over here. I'm going to place one panel there, and I'll place another one here. Now I want to select this panel here, and you see in my properties, I have the ability to give it a name. So I'm going to call this, we'll call it just LP1, or whatever you want to call it. Apply it. So in this one here, you can do the pull down now, and we're going to just call this LP2. We're going to apply and say OK. So we have our panels in here. So now I want to go just do some basic stuff here. So I want to go into my device here. I'm going to go into component. I want to place a component here. Well, let's go back out here because we've got, let me go back to systems here. And that's the conduit we want to do. I want to add a receptacle here. So I can go into power device. Yeah, and there's a receptacle. So let's go and place some receptacles here. Let's place one here, one here. And let's just do this room right here. We'll probably get one there. There'll be one there. Let's just sort of just put these in. And this is our power plan, so we're in the right drawing. Put one there. And let's do here, say here, and here, and here. Okay, so this is kind of how you want to work in this drawing here. So we've got this done. And I've done this before. We want to have one here. I guess one here, here. And you're probably going to need like a, let me see, a GFCI around the sink. Yep, water air. So let's do a GFCI here. And then one on this side as well. Probably going to be back to back here. Well, maybe even, well, as long as it's GFCI, you can put it there. And then even in our bathrooms, which are here, we'll probably need them. They're going to probably be mounted here. See, these are standard. I'm sorry, these are not GFCI. So if I go and have to select this, and I should be able to change this type, yep, to GFCI. There you go. Same as this one. Edit type. I'm going to go GFCI. And then, actually, I want to unload that because I don't think that's at the right elevation. So I'm going to delete these two guys out. GFCI is going to be above the wall. I mean, a much higher up in this particular location. So I'm going to put them right around the microwave just to be safe. Or even over here. But you get the idea of what we're trying to do here. So I'm going to just do this one floor plan here. These are the bathrooms, so I'm going to delete this out. And then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go Systems, Device. Okay, and I got a receptacle here, and I want a GFCI. And it's 4 feet above the ground. So I want a one here, one here. We'll do another one here and here. Now I'm going to lay this out later on. This is just to give you an idea how to work in this link model from our architectural. Okay, now we want to do create a circuit here, just a basic circuit. So that's done by just say for instance. Let's do this room right over here. So I want to say I want to select this power circuit, this power outlet. And then I want to go here and hit power here. And then I want to select each one of these. And then I want to tab this. Okay, sorry. Did I get them? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's undo that for a minute. Didn't do that properly. So I'm going to go into my select this guy. And then I want to hit power. And then I want to edit the circuit here. And then here I want to add to this. So I want to add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Maybe we can bring this one in and this one in. And then I want to go to panel LP1. Then I want to finish it. Okay, now once that's done, I can select this guy and hit the tab key, and there's that one circuit. And then here, where you get these wires, these are the wires basically to the circuit. So once I hit this wire, I can do this one or this one. I probably want to go to arched and hit it, and there's our permanent circuit in. So I'm going to continue this out. And then there's the home run, and then what happens there, you want to go and put it to LP1. So hey, I just want to show you this. I'm going to finish this, but this is how you do the electrical power plan in our project for this building. So hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Super thanks. Anything that can help would be appreciated. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and be safe. Probably going to finish up the electrical and maybe look at mechanical here. All right, bye. Be safe, y'all.